this is Aleeza Nadeem, and now we are back with our new video of the exercise. And make sure to watch all the previous video of the exercise. So now here is my mother with me, and I will begin with our first exercise. In this exercise, you have to stretch your hands. You have to first open your left leg and stretch your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to stretch as much as you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now the sideways, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now the other side. It's very good for your whole body. And your whole body should be stretched. And you have to go as much as you have to go down as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now forward you have to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you have to stretch and keep your knees and your foot straight. Now we'll move to so second exercise. So in this you have to touch your right foot with the left hand and your right hand with the left foot. First like this, and you have to first open the legs. You can go down as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Too fast. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And together. And now we'll move towards the third exercise. So in this fourth exercise, you have to bring your body backwards, and you have to give all the weight backward and keep your hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we have to put all the weight backward, but you have to move forward like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you have to come like this. So I hope that you guys practice all these exercises and follow me, and give this video likes also. And now my mother will take some rest, then we will continue with the further exercises. So now in this third exercise, we have to bring our right hand backward. I hope you guys can see. So backward, and with your, you have to grip it with your left, this side of like what the elbows with your left hand, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we have to do the same thing with the other hand. We have to bring our right leg first forward, and we have to hold our left hand like this, and you have to grip it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can practice these exercises at home or wherever you are. Now we'll move towards the fourth exercise. So now in the same position, you have to bring your hand down, and your knees also should be down. Now you have to straighten your leg again and upload your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then you have to bring it again down and grip it with your left leg. And you have to look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now same thing with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And now on the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now again, you have to keep your knees straight, and you have to grab it with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now you have to come forward like this. And now we will be moving towards the ninth exercise. In this, you have to move your body clockwise and then anti-clockwise. In this, your whole body should be in the motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now anti-clockwise, reverse. The same thing. Your whole body should be moved, and your leg should be spread. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this is the last exercise, and that's enough. So thank you guys for watching the video, and give this video and all the videos, my previous video, maximum amount of likes. And that's it for today. Talk to you guys later in the next video. And I'm very also thankful to my mother. And that's it for today. Talk to you guys later in another video. And bye. Now we're moving towards the fifth exercise. In this, you have to uplift your right knee and fold this in half. And you have to keep straight your left knee, and with your left hand you have to touch your toes or the floor, and you have to go down like this, and you have to keep your body straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And as much as you stretch your body, it's very good, and you're doing the proper exercise. Now we will do the same thing with our left hand. Like this. I know it will take some days for you and you guys be proper. But don't leave your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I have to come down. Now we are moving towards the sixth exercise. Now we are moving towards the sixth exercise. This exercise is very good for your both of the legs, and the exercise is very beneficial for you guys in all the ways. Now you have to move towards the right side. You can practice this in lockdown. Now the lockdown is finished, but when there was lockdown, so you can practice these. 1, 2, 3. You have to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have to come on the heels like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you have to pressurize your body and you have to go down as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we are moving towards the side way and you have to stretch this leg and have to fold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And now look my position. Now I'm on the blade. Now I have to come on my toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And so now we will move towards the left side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now to the other side, and we have to touch the foot. 1, 2. It's very beneficial for your whole body. Your whole body is getting stretched in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this is, you can practice this exercise at home and wherever. These exercises have many benefits. Like it makes your mind active and you personally become healthy. And your whole body become healthy, active, and physically also you become active and mentally also. And you have to come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now you have to not get up like this. You have to punch your foot with your hands. And now in the same position, what you have to do. And now you will be moving towards the 8th exercise, that is the stretching exercise. And you have to open the left knee like this. And yet, slowly you have to give a pressure to downwards and open your legs. If you're stretching this, there's no good, but try to open it like this. And you have to put it all the way forward. And now you have to, in the same position, you have to keep that leg blade and you have to make other side the heel. This is called side stretching with pressure. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing on the other side. Up left like this. And now you have to come again forward and sit down. In the same position when you sit down. Now after we are done with this, now you have to come backwards like this. You have to touch our front knee first. To touch the front knee. It's very good for your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now the side way. 1, 2, 3. You have to try to touch this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. And now you have to open your stretch knee. Front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. And now you have to bring it inside and you have to open it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now you have to bring it further. You have to flip it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And get up. Now we are moving towards 7th exercise, and this you have to bring all your body down and you have to touch your knees and you have to open it. Now in the same position you have to move backwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have to close your legs. In the same position, you have to stretch both of the legs like this, like a frog, and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you have to stretch and give the pressure toward the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now in the same position, you have to Keep fold your left knee and straight your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's very good for your legs and for your whole body. Please practice and do practice this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now the same position and get up. So after the punching is done, you have to bring your right knee this side like this. You have to grip it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you have to bring it backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now you have to go forward like this. Now you have to do this. And then you have to come like this. Now you have to bring it forward. And you have to open your front foot straight. Like this. Now in the same position you have to go sideways. Like this. Now again do the same thing.